Baby, I'm not mad at all. We both tried and tasted fall. Can't hold our love against the wall. No. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Baby, I don't wanna fight. It has to hurt, that's how I know it's right. But you won't feel the pain alone. No. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Yeah. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend.
Guys, I don't have voiceover, so what I like to do in between my cleaning videos is just take a break, come back, and then share with you and update you what I've done and what I'm about to do. So the dishes are clean. They are currently draining, and then I'm going to pack them away. I don't think I'm going to share all of that on camera. I'm probably going to do that off camera because it's actually 11:31 at night right now. So this is like a nighttime clean with me. And then you saw me clean the stove. The burners and everything are clean, so I didn't have to remove them. But what I needed to do is just, you know, clean off all the food smells and stuff like that on top of the stove as well as the bottom of the stove. So now what I'm going to do actually is move on to cleaning my microwave. It's been a while since I've cleaned it, to be honest with you. And it's not that dirty, but just a little bit dirty. I like to go in with hot water and some dish soap and then clean it out, and then I go back in with vinegar and water, which I place into a bowl, place it into the microwave. I heat it up and I allow the steam from the vinegar and the water to deodorize and sanitize my microwave. Let me know what method you guys use to clean your microwave. Comment down below and let me know.
Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the frame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sun sets on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. You love me right. If you love me right, if you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all
I'm looking
night.
outside my window. I try to see where my light goes. I just don't know how it slips out. There must be some kind of plan. Every person could be you though. A pretty guy with a halo. But who am I kidding, please now? I gotta realize that you It's really amazing how you got me trending on you now. Many beautiful faces.
I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? What we should do? Tell me the truth, 'cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized. I've been feeling delusional, thinking about us, babe. Your body's so beautiful. All I want is your love, can't get enough. 'Cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this late night clean and decorate with me here in the kitchen. As you can see, I've added the beautiful pops of oranges, and I really love how it pops, and it just brings in that really nice cozy vibe here in the kitchen, and it works really well with all of my black and white, and I just love how it turned out, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to comment. That way we can engage with each other in the comment section. If you are new and you're watching for the first time and you've watched this video to the end, definitely subscribe, guys. Double tap your post notification bell. That way you'll get alerts each and every time I upload videos. And stay tuned for the last Sunday in October where I'll be bringing my apartment tour of how I've styled and decorated all of the spaces for the fall season. I will also be creating a playlist, guys, with all of the fall content that I've shared for 2021, and that will be linked in this video as well as in my fall home tour video in the description box down below. So I love you for watching. Have a beautiful and blessed weekend, and I will see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you gained some inspiration, and yeah, talk to you guys really soon. Bye.